goal with this activity is to really loosen up the trunk. It's an awesome move if you have any internal rotation loss or loss of trunk rotation. Here's what you're going to do. Get something to elevate one arm on. It does not have to be this high. This is just what I got. You're going to put your hands on top of your shoulders like so, or stacked I should say. Knees will be right underneath the hips. From here, you're going to look about a foot ahead, take a silent inhale through the nose, exhale, reach your arms as long as possible. You want to make sure that your hand stays flat on the ground as you're pushing. Now from here, you're going to just keep pushing into the ground, barely lift the knees up, your abs should engage. You're going to hold this position and breathe. In through the nose, long sigh through the mouth. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.